We have a very hefty feeling, definitely sturdy feeling lighter. It's a Park. This is Park lighter. It's windproof. And this one's got some scratches to the plating and all, but still very good condition. But for a Park lighter, I thought it was very interesting. I hadn't seen an insert quite like this. I've seen them with the Park Sherman, Springfield, Illinois, which I did a little bit of research the other day from a question I got on the website. I believe it was 1930 that company was officially started, and then it moved, or the early 1930s, I should say. And then it was 1960 when they were bought by a New Jersey company and moved to Murfreesboro, Tennessee. But this particular a lot of the Park inserts, maybe it's the later ones, maybe that was part of the deal, are aluminum, and the flint gets stuck in those tubes very easy. This one wasn't. This one drilled right out, no problem. I don't know if that's because of the insert material for a fact or not. That's just my general belief. But it also has this base plate, which is very odd. I haven't seen that on one of these Parks. Very few petrol lighters, insert type petrol lighters, will have a base plate like that. Did feel a little bit ripped off. That the fill screw is missing the spare flint compartment. Oh well. Still a very good example of an early Park Sherman insert with the heavy gauge metal case also.